If you want to feel energized the whole day, evacuate right, and have a deep colon cleanse, this green smoothie is fantastic. We're gonna use some nopal cactus, this kind of cactus from Mexico that is just marvelous, full of fiber, and it's gonna help you also to deflate and just to get rid of all the gases and water that you don't have in your body. Are you ready, amigos? Let's cook delicioso. Okay, for this recipe, you will need 1 leaf of nopal cactus that you can find at your Mexican supermarket here in the US all around. And we're gonna have 1 slice of piña, this is pineapple. I'm having 1 spoon of flaxseed, we call it linaza. And I have a small piece of ginger that we're gonna be using, 1/3 of a cucumber, pepino, and 1.5 cups of water. Okay, let's put everything in the blender. And remember, we have 2 elements over here. This actually is pretty good for people with diabetes. It can help them to lower their sugar levels. Remember that there is no magic smoothie, but if you are eating right and you are complementing with these green smoothies, this is what really helps. So nopal cactus is proven to improve sugar levels in people with diabetes kind 2. And I have the cucumber. And pineapple piña is great to get rid of the water. If you are feeling like bloating, probably it's a lot of water in your body. So this is a natural diuretic, okay? So I'm putting a slice of piña. I like pineapple during the summer days. And a small piece of ginger. How much ginger? Let's call it like the size of your nails. Just a small piece of ginger is very effective, but the flavor is very powerful. So if you add too much, it's gonna be spicy, even for a Mexican like me, amigos. So now let's pulverize all of this. I recommend to have these green smoothies in the morning with an empty stomach and wait about 20 minutes to have breakfast. This is not a breakfast substitute, but it's gonna help you to feel satisfied during the whole day. So, this is delicious, this is fresh, and I just enjoy so much to have energy all day. Amigos, remember that I have new recipes every week here at Las Recetas de Laura. So subscribe and look for me on Instagram for daily inspiration. And you can find all my recipes in my blog, Las Recetas de Laura. Adiós, amigos, mi casa es tu casa, and I see you la semana que viene, next week.